What's up, guys? Vivo is launching Y78 Plus local and global markets. There is no doubt that Vivo Y78 Plus is going to be a mid-ranger along with all latest specifications and features that we are going to discuss today. Vivo usually launches its new phones with the latest specification features. The Y78 Plus is no exception. It has a mid-ranger processor, a large display, and a long-lasting battery. It also has a good camera, plenty of storage, and a range of other features that make it an attractive option. Now let's take a look at the display first. This Vivo Y78 Plus has a massive 6.6 inches IPS LCD display that delivers a mind-blowing resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels with a 60 Hz of refresh rate. It's come with the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, which is turn will be paired with a 2.6 GHz octa-core CPU. Aside from these, it will also be able to support up to 8 GB of RAM and 120 GB of internal memory. It has a triple camera setup. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. The new Vivo Y78 Plus will provide an amazing picture taking experience. At the front, it will offer a single 32 megapixel selfie shooter to capture and record in high resolution. And battery will be 5000 mAh, Android 13 operating system, and USB Type C. And for protection, there is a side mounted fingerprint reader. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.